Dear students, welcome you all. In this video I am going to explain about heat balance test on a 4-stroke single-cylinder diesel engine. The aim of the experiment is to study and understand the performance of the 4-stroke single-cylinder diesel engine. In the apparatus along with the test rig, in the instrumentation panel there should be a digital RPM indicator to measure the speed of the engine. Digital temperature indicator to measure various temperatures. U-tube manometer to measure quantity of air sucked into cylinder. Burette with stopcock to measure the rate of fuel consumed during test. Stopwatch to measure time taken to consume 10 cubic centimeters of fuel. Thermocouples to measure the temperature at various locations of the engine. This is an experimental setup to conduct heat balance test. Switch on the console, it shows the temperature and speed of an engine. Check the fuel level in the tank. Open the three-way cock so that fuel flows to the engine. Allow the water to flow to the engine and the calorimeter, and adjust the flow rate to 6 liters per minute and 3 liters per minute respectively. Release the load if any on the dynamometer by checking the load on spring balances. Start the engine by cranking and press the decompression lever to horizontal position. Allow the engine for some time to attain the steady state. The speed of the engine is maintained constant at 1,500 RPM. At no load conditions, note down the readings of engine speed. Manometer reading. After closing the three-way cock, time taken to consume 10 cubic centimeters of fuel in burette is measured. Now in the temperature indicator, note down the temperatures of intake air, engine head water inlet temperature, engine head water outlet temperature, and exhaust gas temperature. Load the engine by slowly tightening the yoke rod handle of the rope brake drum. At the loading conditions, down the readings of engine speed. Manometer reading. Time taken to consume 10 cubic centimeters of fuel in burette. And note down the temperatures of intake air, engine head water inlet temperature, engine head water outlet temperature, and exhaust gas temperature. Repeat the experiment for different loads and note down the above readings. After the completion, release the load, and then switch of the engine by cut off the fuel by pulling the cut-off lever. These are the various formulas used to calculate the heat balance of an engine. These are the experimental observations note down during the experiments at various loading conditions. The sample calculations done for 2 kilograms load. Now repeat the same for different loading conditions. These are the experimental results getting after substitution of observation readings into suitable formulas. In this way, heat balance test of 4-stroke single-cylinder diesel engine has been conducted and heat balance sheet is prepared.